So I recently did a video on AI and how to use AI in stock research. Obviously, that was a live session, but that got more than 100K views on that video, right? And then a lot of people actually messaged me and said, Shashank, can you show more on how you use AI, how to understand a little bit more, and how to use it in the terms of stock research and to make life easier. So what I've decided is I'll make a small series of how I use AI when it comes to stock research, and I will take different buckets every time so that it's not one long video, but we have different buckets of multiple videos, right? So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you two different softwares, one which is free, one which is paid, and how I do individual stock research on this. So I will take one stock and I will show you how to do individual research on this, and then we'll do other stuff much later on. Okay, hope you guys will enjoy this video. And if you are here, I think a lot of people who are watching this video, I just checked my YouTube analytics, almost 83% of you guys who are watching this video are not subscribing, and that's quite sad because I've been doing a lot of this for you guys. So if you find any good content in this entire video, I would urge you to please subscribe and I will really like it. Okay, awesome, let's get into it. Now before we get into the video, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Outskill. Now Outskill is basically, if you can take one weekend to invest in yourself to understand and learn a little bit more about AI, then you should definitely check this out. Now this is actually a paid 10,000 rupees worth of masterclass, but for the users who are watching this or for the members who are watching this is absolutely free for you guys for the first 1,500 people. Now, this is the world's first AI focused training module where you have renowned AI investors and AI founders coming and teaching you a lot. And it's not just that, because you learn a lot. Like, for example, you will learn one of the most important things, which is prompt engineering, which is very difficult to understand. You will learn 20 different AI tools and get kits for all of this. You will also learn how to do data analysis without coding. You will learn how to use AI in an Excel sheet as well. So a lot of different things are there. You can also use how to create summaries, how to understand a little bit more about different companies. So whether you're in marketing, HR, sales, does not matter, because you need to keep yourself updated in the world of AI, and you should learn as much as you can, because if you don't learn AI, it is definitely going to trample you and go ahead, right? So this is something for anyone who's interested in this. More than 1 lakh people have taken this training. It is an expensive training, but for you guys it is completely free, and it is just for you guys to go and learn. So anyone who's interested in learning, this training is for, in fact, everybody. I'm going to put the link in the description. It is also fastest finger first, so whoever goes in first will get the opportunity. After 1,500 seats, they will block the thing, right? Then you have to wait for the next one. So I'm going to put the link in the description below, so all of you guys make sure to join the WhatsApp group, and happy learning. Okay, now let's get back into the video. Now let us look at two things. Okay, first we will look at a stock, how to do deep dive research about a stock, and for this I will use two platforms. One is called Open Notebook LM. Let me just share my screen. Yeah, so the first platform is called Notebook LM. So this is Notebook LM. It is completely free. It is by Google, so you have no problem at all, and we can do whatever you want here. So I will show you what can be done in this. And the second one is called Manus. Now Manus is a paid AI agent. Now Notebook is an LLM, Manus is an agent. So agents are very important for the future, because they basically do all the tasks that you're supposed to do, right? So let me show you both. Let us take a simple example. Let us go back here. Now I'm assuming you've already found the stock. I will make a separate video on even how to find good companies, but let us take a simple stock that we want to understand, want to learn a little bit more. Let's take what do you want? You want to take Bajaj Finance, for example. I'm just taking an example. Okay, let's take Bajaj Finance. So this is a company that I want to do analysis on, and I want to understand a little bit more about this company. And you can see this is a big company, right? There's too many complicated things here. So there are 2-3 ways we can use this. So first, let me show you about Manus, right? So I have created a prompt for myself. This is something that I use for myself. So I'm going to type Bajaj Finance here. This is basically a template that I have created for myself, and I have written what the tasks that are needed for any AI agent, right? For example, it is a sector specific what I'm looking at. Like, for example, I want a summary of sector analysis. What is the trend? Are there any schemes by the government that helps this sector? Is there any tailwinds? Is there any headwinds? Then I go into stock specific. I go into P&L, balance sheet, cash flow. I do ratios. Investor presentations may what all I want to look at. Con call may what all I want. Annual reports, management integrity score, news, competition, value picker, growth triggers, and final summary. So I made this prompt for myself, so I don't have to keep going and putting it every single time. But what I need to do here is basically I just copy the value picker. I copy the screener link. I go down. I put the screener link here. If there is a value picker thread, I will go to value picker, which is one of the best. What do you call that? One of the best forums right now. So I don't know if they have a Bajaj Finance forum, but I can definitely go check out if it's there. So I will take this. because obviously if I have to go through this entire forum, it's going to take a very long time for me to go through this, right? So I don't have so much time, so I'm trying to do it as fast as possible. And if you have any research reports, you can put it here, but I don't want the thing to be biased, so I will not put the research report. So I will take this here and copy this entire thing. And what we will do is we'll go back to Manus. I have some credits left, so I'll put it here. Hi Manus, I am an equity research analyst. Please let me know about the company that I have pasted. I want three cases: bull, bear, and steady state. Give me a buy, sell, or hold recommendation. Right? Now, this is something that I'm going to do, and I'm just going to keep it in the background, let it continue doing it. We will go to Notebook LM in the meantime. As I said, we're going to optimize both, and I will show you both at the end of the day. Now, how do we use Notebook LM? Let's assume you have already chosen Bajaj Finance as one of your companies. Please understand this is only for educational purpose. I'm not recommending you buy Bajaj Finance. Okay. What I will do here is there is a transcript. I will go here. I will open the transcript and download it, and then there is also a PPT. I can go and download the PPT as well. So let me just do that. Okay, so I'm downloading both. Now what Notebook can do here is you go create new notebook. First let me go and upload the transcript. Okay, as you can see my screen now, I'm just going to Notebook, and I go here, click on create new, and I go put this here. So now what happens, I'm uploading the file of this Bajaj Finance that I have taken into this entire thing, right? So let me see what has happened. This is the Bajaj Finance Q3 FY25 con call. Now there are 3 ways to do this. Now as you see, there's this entire thing that has come. Now what I can do is, one is a very good feature that I think most of you guys should definitely use, is called mind map. Now what happens is it goes through the entire con call and creates a mind map of its own, and I will show you the advantage of this, and I'll show you what I do both, right? You can either do a mind map like this, or there are other ways to do. So the mind map is open. Now look at this mind map. This is the conference call. You have financial performance, strategic initiatives, operation efficiency, asset quality. Everything is already given here ready for you. You don't have to use your brain and think, because this mind map is already created. Now what do you want to learn? You want to learn a little bit more about the strategic incentives? Go ahead, open it. Now they're saying there is BFL 3.0 coming up, Bharti Airtel strategic partnership, as you would have heard of it, discontinuation of co-branded credit cards and gold loans. Okay, maybe I'm a little more interested in gold loans. Let's go deep into it. Crossed 1000 branches, strategic business unit. Now I want to learn a little bit more about this as well. I click on this. Now what happens, it goes back into your learning module. It goes back here and it tells you exactly what is it about the strategic business unit. It talks about their whatever I clicked, the entire details is here. Just see now how fast your entire analysis has become. And this mind map is beautiful, right? So this is just one thing that I show. You can actually go deeper into this. Look at this, and you can choose what you want, and you can actually open literally everything that you want, right? This is just, I don't know, it is one of the best things that I've seen in a few months, right? When the world of AI comes in, it makes my life so easy, so fast, because now I'm choosing what I want to see, choosing what I want to do. But this is for transcript, and as you see, I still have to learn about Bajaj Finance. It's not like I've automated the process, but this is for companies that you already know and you want to analyze the company very fast, very simple. And it is just one of the most beautiful features that I have seen in a very, very, very long period of time, right? Let me come back to that. Let me show you the other feature of that, and before that, let me show you what Manus is doing in the background. So what Manus is doing in the background, because I've given it such a big task list, it usually takes some time to finish it. I can show you some examples of a finished task list as well. But as you can see, it is going through different websites on the internet, going and learning more about this company. And these are all the things I would do. It is actually going to Economic Times website and actually going and reading about this. Look at this. This is the Manus computer, right? You can see this. It is actually going to the websites and reading reading everything about it. So it's very cool, very crazy. Now let's come back to this. Let it cook. Okay, now coming back here, now I have uploaded the transcript. Now apart from the mind map, let's say you don't want the mind map and you want something by yourself, you want to learn something by yourself, you can actually go and ask it questions. Now here it already has some doubts. You can say briefly outline Bajaj Finance 3 strategic phases. So you can give the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 options are here. You can also put your own prompts in simple English language. If you know how to use prompts better, that's great, but if you can put in simple English language also, it's good. So please review this company and tell me what are the good and bad things here. Have they given any future guidance as well? Let me know. Simple English, right? Obviously the better your prompts are, the better the analysis comes out. The lower your prompts are, the lower your analysis comes out. But again, I'm just showing you what is possible here, what can be done, and what you should definitely basically look at, right? So these are some very important things to look at right here. So you can see here the good things: strong financial performance, AUM growth has come in, customer growth has come in, improved efficiency, stabilizing credit cost, all of these comes here. Bad things also are there, that the two-wheeler three-wheeler financing has some constraints in the portfolio, some problems here. Used car loan business has some problems, discontinuation of co-branded cards, everything comes up here. Now obviously, instead of you sitting and doing everything, you can just ask it, give me a detailed summary of this entire document, right? It'll actually give you the entire detailed summary. You can just download it and you can read it while you're going back from work to office, or you're going to office, or you're going back home from that, right? Either or, up to you. If you really don't want that, and you're even more lazier and you want things faster done, and you just want to listen to it like in the form of a thing, you can actually just click on generate. It'll literally create a two person audio conversation of the entire document summary and let you know about it, right? So it'll take a few minutes, but it'll actually create an entire thing for you. And you can also create notes, you can create study guide. So if you want to create a note based on the source, it will create that. You can get a briefing doc, you can get a timeline. These are things that are absolutely free, which is just sometimes I would say too good to be true also, right? Because it is helping us a lot in life, right? It is definitely helping us a lot in life. And this is your study note. Look at this, it has everything that you want. It has everything that you want, right? Which is just too good. This is your another briefing document. Look at this. And by the way, this is what I'm showing you is only for the stock, right? If you really want to use this for your own purposes, for anything else in life, that can also be used over your timeline of main events. Look at this, every single thing is here. Now this is just one document I've put. You can put as many documents as you want. Like for example, as you can see here, I've done it in the past with so many different companies. This is just one source. You can put multiple different sources and ask this to actually create some crazy things for you. Now coming back to Manus, which is more of the paid. Now as you can see in Manus, I've done multiple things in the past. For example, I wanted to do a peer comparison of Nvidia and AMD because of one of the videos that I'm doing. So I'm going to do this video and show it to you guys. But if you look at this, I'll just show you this document, right? Obviously, I've done it for other things as well. So basically, I told Manas that why don't you give me a detailed document again from what I had asked for. As you can see, it's the same stuff. You can see it has made everything: executive summary, semiconductor industry analysis, what's going on with the industry, what are the different government policies and regulations that are going on in this industry as well, which is again crazy. The European Chips Act, export controls. Now, these are things I would spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours going into every single page, doing my own research, using my brains. Now what happens is it makes my life so easy. Like for example, what are the business segments that are there, what are the strategic acquisitions? So they recently did a lot of acquisition, AMD, to actually become better. So that is here. The technology portfolio, the revenue trend that is going on with the 4-year CAGR, profitability analysis. And I wanted a trend saying improving, volatile, recovering, stabilizing. I'm as much as possible, I am automating my brain to do fundamental analysis and research to basically get a very quick idea whether a company is good or a company is bad. Once I know the company is good or company is bad, then I will start going deeper into it, understanding it and all of that, right? And what I've done is I've tried to automate as much as possible. Who's the leadership team, management, execution, is it good or is it bad, strategic vision, competitive landscape. And if I like what I read, then I go deeper into it, ask much more information about it, right? So as you can see, I also did a peer comparison. What is the 4-year revenue CAGR? What is the analysis? It is just mind bending, blowing, whatever you say. The peer comparison on gross operating net profit, ROE, ROA. It's just too good. I cannot even explain to you how much this is helping me. Look at this market position comparison. This There are people in companies, in financial services companies, equity research analysts spending hours and days, not even hours, days, to come up with this kind of research. And this maybe I got in a span of 1.5 hours or maybe 2 hours. I've got this entire document, right? And this is what people charge 50,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees as equity research analysts. And all I have done is make a beautiful document like this. So, and it has given me the output. Now obviously that document you see right now is a very rudimentary document. Just imagine now how much brains I'm going to use, and I'm going to make that document more advanced, more advanced, more advanced. I'm going to start making it learn even more. And the next step of this, my ideal goal in life, right, is to start building products around this. What do I mean by products? Now for example, if you have to do something like this, as you say, Shashank, see, you have an advantage, you're doing this, you're doing that, you know exactly what to search. I want to build a tool tomorrow where I will just keep a website on. Okay, it's you guys go and just put the name of the stock, and it should give you a document like this, or it should give you a visual representation of everything that a person spending 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh as a research analyst would actually do. I want that to be automated on a website and given it to everybody, right? Where the retail investor and the I'm trying to bridge the gap between the retail investor and the funds, right? The HNI funds and the retail investor, there's a huge gap in information, huge gap in knowledge. They have a team of analysts. Now AI is going to come and neutralize everything. All your team of analysts and all are going to get absolutely annihilated. And this is something that I'm really working on with my team internally. I'm trying to build this as much as possible. I'll show you another example of what I've done. This is something I've done for another company called Varun Beverages. This was my first example. Let me show you how this looks like, right? Just to give you a base case idea. And as I said, this I'm going to make a series of multiple I'm going to make a series of multiple videos for you guys to learn as much as you can about AI. But I'm showing you what are the things that are there, and what I'm doing is not rocket science. I am not a coder, I'm a financial guy. As you can see, there is 0 lines of code here. See, this has given me what I need to do: hold, accumulate. If you're an existing customer, accumulate. If you're existing customer, hold. What is the target price based on DCF valuation? Bull case, bear case. This is something that a Morgan Stanley report basically does: a bull case report, bear case report, and all of that. This is just insane. Look at this. Obviously now all of this is in a text format. Now I need to hire some developers to convert this into a beautiful visual representation. But this is something that is just beautiful. I'm going to add multiple more things. For example, this is annual report analysis as well, which is something that none of us do, right? I wanted to see what are the red flags in the assessment. It's just a 20-page document that would cost you 80,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Again, it's absolutely done with AI. And obviously this is going to take some time. As I said, it usually takes 1 to 2 hours, but I wanted to show you how it is done. And what I'm going to do is, when I launch this video and I give it to you guys, I will put this document, this Bajaj Finance document, whatever it outputs, I will put it for you guys to go and read and understand what is the advantage of this, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like this. As I said, guys, this is just first video of the series. I'm going to make multiple series. I'm also going to show you how you can create tools if you're not a coder. That will be slightly longer, but I hope you're enjoying this. I hope you're understanding this. And if you like this, if you enjoyed what you saw, please click on that like button and click on that subscribe button, and please comment. I'm very active in the comment section, so put any doubts, any questions you have, because I'm going to show you what is possible in the world of AI, mainly when it comes to stock research analysis. I'm not worried about everything else. I will show you how to do a good job when it comes to stock research analysis, how you can save your time as much as possible. I will show you what I'm doing with Claude as well, which is again mind blowing, right? So one by one. And if you have any more doubts, any more questions, or any more things you want me to use AI and show, please put in the comment section below. It can even be personal finance, it can be stocks, anything. You let me know and I will do it for you. Okay, awesome. This is me, Shashank, signing off. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys. Bye bye.